Saturday, the 10th of August, 2024, coming into Ila, Georgia, on Georgia Highway 98, intersecting with Georgia Highway 106. We're going to park up here and we're going to get out and we're going to do some walking. Where shall we park? I think we'll park right there. A lot of traffic in this little town coming down 98 and 106 coming out of Athens, and from 98 I'm not sure where it's coming from. When we leave we're going to take 98 west. So let's go over here and get us a parking spot. Go ahead and turn this off and then we're going to okay, it is Saturday again. Like I say, Ila, Georgia, 94 degrees going to 96, 74 tonight, 58% humidity, and we're just going to walk the town. Hopefully we've got the angle right. We parked behind the post office instead of over there. Said private parking only, so this is a restaurant. Cornelia is 15 miles. Toccoa is 36. That is north on 106. South on 106. Well, I thought that was a restaurant, but it's not. To watch our step. Georgia 98. I tell you what, this little town is busy. This GoPro Black 10 battery may give out before we get done. I should have brought another one. There's your barbecue restaurant. where roads meet and people greet. Just run over here, folks. People aren't going to slow down for you. You can forget that. Yeah, I hope I've got the angle, vertical and horizontal right. We're going to walk down the road just a piece because four-way stop, people aren't going to pay attention to us. They're in too big of a hurry. We'll just deal with one direction of traffic, or two instead of four. Gas is $3.09 here in Ila. We come out from the post office, we're going to come to this intersection, or either we may bypass it, go behind it, and then we'll be going like that right there, straight down through there towards Commerce at 10 miles. Georgia 98. We'll go through Commerce. And then head back to Arcade. Piece of garbage trucks. Okay, let's go ahead and turn this off, wrap it up. Come out a little bit different. I want to do a little bit of side streets. We're going to turn around and come back. Wanted to catch that house there. That's a nice house. Ila Service Center. Looks like a professional operation. Like an old school. An old church. We'll go back through town. We'll turn and go up towards Commerce. I don't know if we'll go through Commerce. We'll go through partway through Commerce, I guess, unless we go back down 441. Then go back to Arcade. It is 204, like I said, mid-90s. Hot, humid. Well, the humidity is not but 58, but it's hot. It's hot, friends. People are driving fast. Somebody that knows how to do a study and accurate analysis needs to do an analysis on why people are driving so much more aggressively than they were 5 years ago. Is it all COVID? Is it something to do with the way the vehicles handle? They handle much more, they're more nimble, they're quick. Are people more aggressive? Just what? Why are people driving so aggressively now? So this little town's backed up both directions, all 4 directions. We're going to go on down and then come back through. Volunteer Fire Department. Commerce straight ahead, Athens to the left, Carnesville to the right. We could go to Carnesville, but let's go straight ahead. It's 2 o'clock. We need to start back uploading. We've got video from yesterday we're trying to get uploaded. GoPro Black 10 is going to get hot hanging here in the sun, so I'm going to take it off. Had it on the head mount. I'll put it back on the head mount. Let's go ahead and turn this off. This will be a wrap of